Assalamualaikum. Today I'm making Shami Kabab. Subscribe my channel. Let's start making Chana dal. Beef half kilogram. Shami Kabab masala. Turmeric powder 1 tsp. Garam masala half tsp. Red chili flakes half tsp. Coriander powder 1 tsp. Ginger garlic green chili and fried onion. Zero 1 tsp. One glass water. Now cover the pressure cooker and cook for 10-11 minutes. After 10 minutes, remove the beef and chana dal masala from the cooker and grind it with a pestle. Put some oil on your hands. Now make the kabab. Now take a pan and add all in it. Egg, put an egg on the kabab. Now fry the kababs. Fry on medium flame. Shami kebab is ready. Subscribe my channel for more recipes. Like, share and comment. Thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.